Hello everyone, welcome to the session. This session is just for the overview, small things on Elasticsearch and Kibana along with the installation. So let's begin our session. What is Elasticsearch? Elasticsearch is an open source enterprise search engine which stores the data in the form of documents, and the document are the part of a particular index. And what is Kibana? So basically Kibana is the interface for the Elasticsearch. With the help of Kibana, we can visualize the data present in the Elasticsearch. We can write a query and we can run in the Kibana, which will fetch the data present in the Elasticsearch. We can create a dashboard. So now see how to download Elasticsearch in Kibana. What we need to do is just search download Elasticsearch. There would be link www.elasticsearch.co. You need to go here, click on the download Elasticsearch, and you would see you need to choose the platform. So here I am selecting Windows, and this is the latest version 8.3, but we will do demo on 6.8. So we need to search for the older version. On this page we can select the version. So I am selecting 6.8. This is 6.8, and we need to click on the download. When we will click on the download, we need to click on the Windows. This zip file will be downloaded. This is how we can download the Elasticsearch. Same for the Kibana. You can search download Kibana. So here click on this link. Same platform. Again the latest version 8.6, 8.3.2. Since we will do the demo on 6.8, so we can choose any version of. On this page we need to select the version. So we will select 6.8, this base version. Click on this download and the Windows. So the zip file would be downloaded. So this is how we can download the Elasticsearch and Kibana. I have already downloaded. You can see Elasticsearch 6.8.13 and Kibana 6. So we can choose any release of 6.8. So I have now you need to unzip both the software, Elasticsearch, and I have unzipped here this and this. The folder structure would look like this for Kibana, and for the Elasticsearch it would look like this. Now we will see how we can start the Kibana and Elasticsearch. So first we will start Elasticsearch. So we need to go to the bin of that Elasticsearch folder structure, launch in a CMD, and just run the bat file. Let's wait for the Elasticsearch to be up. You can see this says there is a message started, the port number. So now we will see if it is running or not. 9002. Yeah, you can see the response here means it is running. Elasticsearch has started successfully. So this is the name of the Elasticsearch instance and the version we are using and some other default fields, cluster name and UID. So that's how we can verify the Elasticsearch. Let's see few things related to Elasticsearch. So our Elasticsearch is running now. So most of the time we use the Kibana to check data in the Elasticsearch, but just few operations we can also directly do here. Like if you want to check something, suppose the indices, how many index are present, you can see, you can run this, you can hit this URL. So there are 4 index are present at the moment: test index, Kibana, dot. The index name starting with dot means these are the default created, by default created indexes, and this is the index I created, test index. So these are the index how we can search. If you want to search particular index, then you can search like this. So you can search like this. So these are the operations we can do from the browser itself. When you hit only underscore cat, it will give you the command, or it will give you the URL suggestion which you can use. The thread full, suppose let's hit this. This is the details about thread pool. So all these URL we can hit and we can get the details. So this is we are directly hitting in the browser. So for all these operation, mm, all these things we can also do in the Kibana. And most of the time we do in a Kibana only, because that is the official interface for the Elasticsearch. Same way, we need to launch the Kibana. Go to the bin of Kibana and launch in CMD and run the kibana.bat file, and let's wait for the Kibana to be up. Yeah, it is started. The server running at 560. So let's see, let's hit this. Yeah, it is running. Service start, Kibana service started, and this is the interface. This is the interface of Kibana. You can see Kibana. Few things like this is the navigation area. So the dev tools here we can hit our query. We can write our query and hit, like the operation we were doing there. Operation we were doing like this, we can do in the Kibana itself also. Let's see, it's already there. So how we need to do it? Indices. Yeah, so the same number of indices are here also. Okay, test, and if we want to create an index, put and the name of index test1. We can do acknowledge true. Now let's search. There should be now 5 index. This is the index I have created just now, and these are the system indexes by default created. These. So we have seen the get method. We have seen the put method. Put method to create a index. We can also delete the index. Suppose I want to delete test1. So we can write delete and test1. We can write delete test1. Acknowledged means it deleted successfully. So here also we can see if deleted or not. Yeah, we don't see the index. Let's delete one more index. Test index this. Acknowledged. Let's refresh. There should be now 3. Yeah, 3. Let's delete this also. Acknowledged. Yeah, acknowledged. Now let's refresh. Yeah. So this is how the delete operation works. This is how we can use this dev tool. We will see in other videos, in coming videos, the Grok debugger also how to use. Here we can also write the query to search the data in the Elasticsearch. So that we will also see in the coming videos. So this session is just for the overview, and from here management, we can see the index present in the Elasticsearch. So this is the Elastic data index management. No indexes present here because right now how many indexes are present? Two. So both are the system index or we can default index. So it is there is a option disabled to exclude the system. If we include, both would be coming here. So this is how we can do the, also we can do some operation or index as well, like here from here stats we can edit setting, close the index, merge the index, refresh index, freeze all the delete index. Like if we delete this, but I'm not deleting because it might be used by the system also. This index pattern is used to visualize the Elasticsearch data. With this index pattern, we can combine the data present more than in one index, that we will also see. And so this dashboard is basically, it will show you the dashboard created like a graphic in the form of graphs. Right now it is not created because no data present in the Elasticsearch. We can create a maps, canvas. So all these operations we will see in the Kibana when we will load our data. So these are the options available in the Kibana. We will see when we will load our data from a log file. So this is the overview of Elasticsearch and Kibana. In the next session, we will load the data from log file to Elasticsearch with the help of logstash and filebeat. Then we will see the query, how we can write a query in the Kibana, how we can visualize the data. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.